Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to update your business address in Stripe. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started, you'll want to navigate to Stripe's website and sign into your account. Now that you're in, you'll be taken to the Stripe dashboard. Next, we're heading to the settings. In the settings, you'll discover a host of configurable options. Specifically, you're looking for the Account Settings section. Within Account Settings, locate the Business tab. Clicking on this will expand a series of features related specifically to your company's profile within Stripe, including your business address. Next, you'll want to click on Business Details. Here, you may be prompted to provide business details if you haven't entered any previously. Assuming you've already provided your business details, you'll now see a pencil icon located next to your current business address. Click this pencil icon to edit your address. It's a straightforward process. Simply erase the current address and input your new address or corrections. Double-check for any typing mistakes, as accuracy here is important for all banking and customer communications. Once you're confident that your new address is correct, look for the Save button. It's essential to click Save to ensure your changes are recorded. Upon saving, your updated business address will reflect in Stripe's system. And that's it. So that is how you can update your business address in Stripe. So that's all for this video. Thanks.